Hey guys, I'm Aidan, and we all know studying is super important to help keep our grades up. Here are a few ways to help you study better and make sure you're getting the most out of everything you're learning. First, make sure you're always taking good notes. Writing down facts that your teacher mentions during class will help your brain remember things a lot longer. Second, lose the confusion and ask for help. You can't study very well if you don't understand the material. Be sure to always ask your teacher for help if you're having trouble understanding something. Third, always plan ahead. Waiting until Thursday night to study for Friday's test will make for a homework nightmare and will also make it harder to do your best. Fourth, when there's a lot to study, it helps to break things up. Instead of thinking about everything all at once, break your study materials up into chunks and only work on one or two of those chunks at a time. And finally, be sure to get a good night's sleep. Your brain needs time to digest all the information you've given it. With a good night's sleep, you'll be surprised by what comes back to you in the morning. Studying the right way takes practice, just like anything else. Following these tips will help you to form better study habits and make you the best student you can be. And that's the juice!